Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Ditch the Classroom podcast. Today's question I got from Sarah, and it's how to gain experience for your portfolio as a new virtual assistant. My biggest recommendation is that you offer testimonial projects. So this is where you offer a couple hours of work in exchange for a testimonial. So basically your payment in this case is a written testimonial instead of money. This will allow you to showcase the work in your portfolio as well as the testimonial. However, I do recommend that you limit it to a max of 3 hours per person and a max of only 3 projects. I don't want you doing testimonial work forever. You don't need a ton, just a few solid examples in your portfolio. And this may end up turning into additional paid work. So if your testimonial client loves what you did, they may end up actually hiring you and paying you. Okay, so this is a really good way to build that portfolio and get that experience. This was short and quick, and that's what these episodes are all about. If you have a question you would like me to answer here on the podcast, I invite you to come into our Ditch the Classroom community. You can do that by going to community.ditchtheclassroom.com. Come in there, go to the Quick Tip Thursday episode, drop your questions there, and I will be happy to answer them. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.